Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Here at EON, we show you what ingredients you need, how to make it, how to use it, and most interestingly, how it all works. So join us as we discover ways to heal that have been around longer than you've been alive. Erectile dysfunction. Ingredients: 900 milligrams of ginseng and 1,000 to 5,000 milligrams of L-arginine. Instructions: take once per day. How to use. Because L-arginine is available in capsule or powder form, it can be taken once daily by mouth or mixed into a smoothie if powdered form. Ginseng can be taken once daily by mouth with water, preferably with a meal to avoid an upset stomach. How it works. Ginseng contains ginsenosides that may help modulate neurological and hormonal systems, which increase production of nitric oxide that increases blood flow, ultimately enhancing erectile function, while L-arginine helps in the production of nitric oxide, which helps improve blood flow, which is crucial for maintaining an erection. It is similar to what Viagra does, but through natural pathways. Note: it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, especially for those with pre-existing conditions or on medication. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.